Hey guys, Dave here, and we're on location at this remodeling project in Clifton, New Jersey. Today is our final walkthrough, and I'm really excited to show you guys what this house looks like. This particular family is a growing family. They needed more room. They already had the top floor on this home that they purchased, and they needed more space. So what we ended up doing was we built a rear two-story addition out the back of the house. We had built a kitchen. We opened up the kitchen and expanded a family room, as well as on the top floor we expanded 2 bedrooms and expanded the master bathroom. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you what this looks like. It looks awesome. All right, let's go in the house and we'll take a look. So guys, this was all existing. Right here, we walk in, here's the staircase. They had an attic level already on this particular home. The dining room was existing. The living room was existing. That archway was existing right here, and what we did is we opened it up into this beautiful space. Take a look at this open floor plan. As you walk in through the living room, it opens up. This used to be the kitchen right here, right from this pantry going straight across, and what we did is we opened up the whole wall, made a nice flush ceiling straight through, put a steel beam in there, and we created a wet bar over here. Right as you enter in through the side door, you walk in, it's going to be a wet bar over here, and then everything opens up. Look at this beautiful kitchen all the way through. We have the full wraparound on the back wall there. Now this is 18 feet out, 32 feet wide, and look at all the space that they're gaining here. Just let's turn this camera around. Look at what it used to be. From this wall straight back to straight to the front there is what the house used to be. It completely opens up. We made the flow nice and smooth. We took out any headers. Look at the ceiling straight through, no headers. It's all flush, so it looks like one original ceiling. We installed all recessed lighting in here, crown moldings. We have the family room, beautiful fireplace. Look at how nice this place came out. Let's look around a little more. Okay guys, so right here to start off, we have the sliding door leading out to the backyard. Look at this kitchen. I mean, the cabinetry, the backsplash, pendant lights, full 8-foot by 3-foot island. This place is ready for many years of family gatherings, parties, socializing. It's going to be a great space for this young family. How do you like this wet bar that we installed? It has a basic sink, a little wine fridge, has a rack for glasses, open glass shelves. It fits in here nicely. You could have just left the wall with nothing on it and just put a table over here, but the wet bar just really complements and brings this whole room together. It's a nice entertaining area. Just look at this. I mean, cabinetry, we have double pantry. Over here we have an oversized cabinet above the refrigerator. We have glass shelves flanking. We have the spice drawers on each side of the range. And it just wraps around. Over to here we have the undermount sink, dishwasher, all GE appliances. And as we turn around here, we'll take a look at the island. Okay guys, this particular unit, island, we have a wine fridge again, and we also have a built-in microwave. And this place has lots of drawers, lots of cabinetry. It's just a great look. We also have the quartz countertops all throughout. This particular kitchen is completely designed by my team, selected by the homeowner, and installed by Pangione Developers. We take care of the entire project, coordinating. Everything is set up by us. It's seamless integration. Guys, take a look at this fireplace. You've seen this unit on many of my jobs. We use the same 3450 Superior unit, and it is set up for a quick, watch this, just like that, flame goes on. You have your fire, and one switch, and it's off again. You can have the couch over here, another another unit over here facing the fireplace. You have your wall mount TV. It's all set up, and this place is going to be ready for entertainment. Enjoying the years with your family. Look at this, it's amazing. Look at how nice this came out. Look at the beautiful floors. This fireplace, this room looks awesome. Guys, look at this fireplace behind me. Look at how nice this looks. Don't you want one of these in your house? If you have a project that you're thinking about building, give us a call at 201-774-3733. We could talk about your home remodeling project, your add-a-level, your multi-level addition. Let us know. We could talk about it, work out a budget for you and your family. We can make it happen. We deal with 203Ks. We deal with any type of construction loan. We are a seamless integration of your entire build process. If you have any questions, give us a call at 201-774-3733 or email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. So guys, that was the first floor. Let's go upstairs. I'll show you what the second story of this multi-level addition looks like. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs here, and let me show you how we worked the addition and the hallway out in this floor plan. So as you get to the top of the stairs here, there used to be a room right here. And what we ended up doing was cutting that room shorter and making a hallway. And this hallway leads to the 2 bedrooms on the back side of the addition. Over here, the bedroom that was here, we made into a laundry. And on the other side was the existing master bedroom. And what we did is we extended out the back and into the addition with a master bedroom suite, bathroom suite. Okay, so right over here, this is the laundry. So as you walk in here, this used to be, again, a bedroom. And what we ended up doing was creating this room, just making a hallway here, redirecting the door. There was some closets in here that we took out, and we extended out 18 feet for the addition. So over here, though, we put the dryer, the washer's gonna go here, and we also have a wash sink. Let's go into the other bedrooms and take a look. Okay, so this is the hallway that everybody talks about when you are getting ready to create a 2-story addition. Everybody wants to know how they're gonna make a hallway into their new addition. This is it. This is the hallway, recessed lights, air conditioning. We have our smoke detectors. And this is the first bedroom at the end of the hallway. Lots of light, windows. We have a double closet in here. Take a look. I have the doors open because we just had it touched up with paint. But you can see it's all set up with the shelving and the clothes rods. We have a low voltage in here also. And as we go through here, this is the other hallway that leads down to the other side of the addition. And here is, this one has 2 closets, double window, nice big room. And look at this, look at all the space they have now. Right below us is the kitchen on this particular unit. We also, in this one, we have a hot water baseboard going throughout both floors. And we also have 2 zones of HVAC cooling. So let's go into the master bathroom. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at this master bathroom that we extended off of the existing master bedroom. So let's take a look. You're really going to like this particular layout. So guys, we're walking into the existing master bedroom. This is a full add-a-level that was done about 12 years ago. Full 8-foot ceilings throughout. You have a 10-foot ceiling here. This was all existing. What we ended up doing over here is there used to be a walk-in closet here that extended out a little bit further than what you see right here. And what we did is we moved the closet in this direction towards us. We created the closet right here, and just beyond that, we created the master bathroom. And in here is our walk-in closet. It's all set up with shelving, rods. It's fully wrapped in here. A lot of space. And then over here is the master bathroom. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so we're walking into the master bathroom, and look at the custom glass surround here. We have our rain head, our handheld, all custom tiling. Look at that, how nice this unit came out in this bathroom. We have a soak tub immediately to the right of that. with a self-standing faucet. And as we turn over here, we have a really nice vanity that the homeowner had ordered and delivered on site, and a full double mirror. Hey guys, Dave here, and right about now, I'd appreciate it if you click on the like button for this video. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, Dave here, and if you'd like my free list on how to hire a contractor, click on the links below and you'll be able to get that list for free.